I welcome you to a moment with Rukwaru, and this afternoon I would like to talk about the male psychology after a breakup. According to the way men have been brought up, we tend to assume that men after a breakup they are not affected, but they are. Although they can put on a brave face, they are affected. So I want to discuss on how do men behave, the male psychology after breakup. What do we expect about their behavior? One is that after the behavior, men are likely to suppress their feelings after the breakup. You see, men can really control and they don't want to play it to the gallery to show that they have been affected. Otherwise, it is a sign of weakness according to the way they have been brought up by the society. A man needs to be tough. They should not try to express as if they have been affected. That is for women and the children. Now, one thing after the breakup, men will suppress their pain after the breakup and they are likely to wear fake masks. How do they express these fake masks? These fake masks is going to be expressed through anger. These people can be very, very angry with people. Even on something which is not serious, they become very bitter. Sometimes they are also likely to do a revenge. How are they likely to do a revenge? To their girlfriend. One, they are going to share the intimate chats which they might have shared, or even intimate videos. They are likely to share with the public online to hurt you. And the worst thing is that they can even get engaged in physical abuse. They can beat the lady whom they broke up physically. So, this is some of the reaction. Secondly, they also get involved with rebound relationships. What do we mean by rebound relationship? Rebound relationships is relationship which you get immediately after the breakup when you have not healed. So why do men get into this rebound, moving from having casual feelings from a girl to a girl to a girl? The whole idea is to prove to the world that I'm still strong. If you left me because you thought I was not admirable, look, I am moving from one person, one girlfriend to another, and they are accepting me. So, after all, it shows you are the one who was useless. Now, the other thing is that they can get themselves into self-destructive behaviors. What do we mean by self-destructive behaviors? What they can do, they can get into drinking, smoking excessively, and they just destroy themselves. They just destroy themselves with this behavior. If they were drinking a little bit, they just get to excessive excessive smoking, and they just destroy themselves. Then another point is the issue of low self-esteem. This, they feel that they start blaming themselves. They say that so and so left me because I had this weakness. Probably I was not earning a lot of salary. Probably it was my personal gene. Probably I didn't have a big car, type of a car. So now, what do? They start having low self-esteem. They don't have confidence. Their confidence has been shaken because of this breakup. And then another point is inability to perform sexually. So you find that experience has proved that even if they get to other relationship, because their esteem has been shaken, they are not also able to perform at sexual level. And then you find that also some, they get to spending time alone. They don't want to mingle with people. They don't want to talk. They just withdraw. They become an introvert. And then others, they also try to connect with their close friends. While some are withdrawing, others will try to connect with their own friends and then pick up also a new friend. Others, they are going to pick a new hobby for free time because now they are left alone. So what are they going to do? Then others, they will still try to get back to their girlfriend whom they had broken to. They try to say, please, let us just re-examine our relationship. Although I have said in my previous videos, if you have broken a relationship, never try to come back. If you have broken the relationship, just start your life. The other one start your life. That's all. But never get back after breaking a relationship. This is the advice I would advise you as a relationship coach. Others will get to starting new relationships. They say, after all, life has to continue. I'd have to get a new girlfriend. But it is also advisable, take time for healing. At least stay for around 6 months before you get to a new relationship. Then some guys will do nothing. They just become idlers. They become so shaken until they feel as if the world has come to a stop. Then you find that others, what they are going to do, they are going to improve themselves. They are going to improve in terms of careers. They are going to go back to school. They even try to improve their businesses. And others, finally, they are also going to take a sort of a reflection. They are going to have a soul search to try to re-examine themselves. What was wrong with me? What did I do wrong? Where did I err? Is it me who was a mistake? Who was a problem? Or was it my girlfriend? They do some soul searching, they do some re-examination, and with this, they can be able to make serious decisions. Otherwise, thank you very much. It's Mutiaru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Have a great day. Thank you.